What's going on, my beautiful people? Richard Hairston here. In this video, I'm going to be talking about cryptocurrency lead generation, hot new lead magnet for cryptocurrency beginners. Now, if you're in crypto or you're Bitcoin or whatever the case may be, this video is for you. You may be new into this crypto industry and you're looking to build a network marketing business that's built around cryptocurrency. Well, I want you to watch this video until the end because I'm actually going to show you how you can get a hold of this lead magnet and how you can start using it to generate leads in your business, people who want to be in the Bitcoin industry, the cryptocurrency industry, and how you can apply this to your business. So with that being said, let's get right into it right now. This is the actual page, as you see right here, of the lead magnet that you're going to get. Now it says 5 cryptocurrency and Bitcoin FAQs to know before you jump into the wild world of crypto. Okay, so when someone lands on this page is going to be coded to you. As you see up in the top left hand corner, you see my name, Richard Hairston. Over here you see cryptocurrency basics for beginners. And so when someone lands on this page, this is what they are going to see. Now when they actually click the green button here, okay, it's going to open up a page for them to put in their information. So you're capturing their information so you can be building your email list. And trust me, if you're not building an email list, then you're really not in business. You need to be building an email list. So someone puts in their name, email, and phone number here, which gives you the option to call them or text them. They're going to actually click here to get access to this now. And when they get access to this, it's actually going to take them to this page. Okay. Once again, it's going to be branded to you. Your name is going to be up in the corner, left-hand corner, with an image of yourself. You're going to have the home page, and you're going to have an about me page, and whatever opportunity it is that you're doing. So this is hard coded to you once you get into the system. And so it simply tells someone, yes, you're in, access your PDF report below. Okay, and it tells them to be sure to bookmark the page and contact you if they have any questions. So this is the actual page. Now this was done by the professionals inside of the affiliate marketing company that I'm using that's providing these lead magnets for you, okay, in order for you to grow your cryptocurrency business. So when someone actually downloads the report, they simply click here. But before we do that, let's actually go on down this page because like I said, this is branded to you. You get to put an image here, your name, email, phone number, your social media things, contact page, and an about me. So if we look at the about me, which you can click here or up here in the top corner as well, okay, you're going to have a full-fledged about you section with your contact information on it. Go back to the home page. They come right back here. Now let's actually download this report right now. Okay. And well, one more thing, let's look on the My Opportunity, because if I click on that, it's going to take them over to whatever business opportunity you are doing. So this is mine right now. So when you click on that, you get to get this system, okay, with the lead magnets, $10 for a 10-day risk-free full trial access. So you can try out the lead magnets and start generating leads for your business. So let's hit the back button, come back to this page. Now we're going to actually download the report, and it's going to download it to my desktop. We're going to save it there. And now I'm going to open up this report, and this is the actual PDF. Now, like I said, this is written by professionals. Now you have the option to brand this PDF to you inside of Canva if you want to. So that's going to be they're going to show you how to do that as well. But right now, let's just look at the pages. It's 7 pages long, okay, with information that a person would need to be educated on the cryptocurrency Bitcoin business. Cryptocurrency simplified is simply what it is. 5 things to know before you jump into cryptocurrency. We have a welcome here. They're going to read this. And so this is something you can use as a lead magnet in order to grow your email list and to get people into your business. So this is written by professional. Deep research was done for it. So it's really going to help you. And it was, just a beautiful PDF that you can use for your business. Okay. So like I said, it's 7 pages long. You can click the link in the description and go ahead and opt in here so you can see for yourself, so you can download the report, see if it's something that's a good fit for for you and your leads, okay, for your company anyway. It tells them what to do next, and then it has the cited publication. Okay, so go back up here. So this is the actual PDF that one gets. Okay, so when they do that, so like I said before, let's go back to the beginning. Someone comes here, okay, they click on this green button. It's going to come up with an opt-in page. You're going to collect their information because that's what you need to be doing anyway. Trust me, all of the top marketers in the network marketing industry, affiliate marketers, they are building an email list, okay? So you want to be doing that. Once someone opts into this page, they simply come over here and they get the info that they asked for. This is hard-coded to you, okay? No, not about anything else but your business opportunity, whatever it is that you're doing. And remember, they can contact you if they want to get in contact with you. I'm not going to do that right now. Okay. They can contact you in about page. So all of this is going to be hard coded to you for you to get started with. Okay. So once again, they download the book. They're on your list. You have a lead. Now you continue to market to them through email, or you can pick up the phone and give them a call. So the question is, how do you get access to this book? Well, I'm using a company called My Lead System Pro. Okay. I'm a premium member. I have been with them for almost a year or so now. So it's been a while, and I love the tools that they have here that you can use to grow any business that you're in. So it does not matter. So what you're going to have here is you're actually going to look up under my website, and you're going to see the new generic lead gen campaigns. Okay. And so you simply come down to these campaigns and you're going to see the new crypto. Now we have campaigns for the 5-day challenge, GoPro prospecting in LinkedIn, Go for Yes, posting for profit, simple list leverage, CBD oil, credit score, okay, crypto, toxic cleaning, Forex fundamentals, okay, 10 ways to lose weight, make money from home PDF, network marketing home business sponsoring PDF, network marketing profile cheat sheet, skincare, 5 stunning skincare secret. Now, what you're going to love about this is, like I said, this is going to be hard coded to you. So how is it hard coded to you? So if you come over here and if you actually go over to, let's look at this here. Okay, you're going to see the graphs of who's been clicking on your links and things. Okay, so if we come over here and we click on this right here, this is where you want to go. This is where you're able, and let me move out the way for a minute. This is where you are able to set things up. Okay, so let's kind of blow this up a little bit so you can see a little better. Okay, so this is where you're going to set things up. This is your campaign setting area. Okay, you have the name of the product, your link. Okay, you can request lead. This setting will be used to request the lead's name. If not, there are opt-in forms on the page. Okay, so if you want the lead name, then you click yes. If you want the lead phone number, okay, the same thing. You want to share the lead with MLSP, you can do that. They're going to do the emailing on your behalf, not only to get people into your crypto business, but also to get you signups in MLSP as well. Okay, so you have the option to do that. You have the global integration, so you can do that as well. And then you add your Facebook Pixel ID. So if we come back up, we have customization, campaign customization. Okay, the same thing, the name of the book, your link. Okay, you put your opportunity link here, whatever that may be. Okay, just say, you know, whatever it is, you can put that in here. It could be another affiliate product. It really doesn't matter. And you can just put, if I just put google.com, you know, something in there for that. Your business opportunity button, what you want on the button to say my opportunity or check this out, whatever the case may be. Okay, let's say if I say check this out. Okay, and then you can come down here, you can add this is where you're going to put your story, your about you in here, so you can add some text in there, additional bonuses if you want to give away a bonus. If you say yes, it's going to open up a bonus. Okay, give you some more options here, your bonus copy and a bonus image, so you can add an image there, and then a custom video link if you want that on the page. So if I go over here to YouTube right quick and I just grab a video, Matter of fact, I'm going to go over here and grab one of mine. Go to YouTube. And I'm going to type in lead magnet when it pops up. I'm going to say lead magnet. It's going to pop up. I'm just going to grab this one right here. I'm going to edit it. I'm going to grab that link. Okay, I'm going to come back over here and I'm going to put that link right here. Okay, so you can do that. Now you notice I put Google here and check this out here. Okay, and I'm going to click save. Okay, so that has been saved. Now you have marketing assets. Okay, so we're going to look right here. You got some images that you can use, okay, in your marketing on Facebook, okay, on Twitter, wherever you're marketing at, okay, and you have some templates that you can edit inside of Canva. Also, you have the swipe copy. You have 3 pre-written emails that you can use to set up in your autoresponder, whatever autoresponder that you're using. And also you have integrations where you're going to integrate your autoresponder, and you can do that right there. So if we go back to customization, and if you notice that I actually customized this a little bit with Google, and so if I come over here, let's just go back to campaigns, and I'm going to actually open up this one here again. My mouse is going wild. So if I open up this one again and click on this one here and open it up here, okay, so you'll see, and let's just pull this one down here compared to this one. Now this one is the first one, just without any editing done to it. But if you notice this one here, okay, now it has to check this out here. Okay, and if I click on the check this out, where it's going to go to Google. So it's going to go to wherever you want it to go. So if I come back over here, you see now the video is in here. Okay, and you see the rest of the information that's on the page. So this is customizable. You can do whatever you want to do with it, as long as you come over here and go to the little notepad, okay, come to customization, and you can set these things up. Okay, if I wanted to add an image here and here, let's just say, let's display a bonus image, and I'm just using this as an example. If I come over here, I don't even know if I have an image anywhere. Let's see if I can find something on this actual thing. I don't have any images on this computer. Well, that's a sad thing. Let's see. Let's go back. Let me drop down for a minute. Yeah, I got an image up there. So I'm just going to use it as an example. I'm going to choose the file. I'm going to go over to my desktop. I'm going to choose this image here. I'm going to open it up. Let them put the image in, and there's the image right there. I'm going to come down here and click save again, and let's see what happens if I just refresh the page. Okay, so now you see the video, but you see this huge image. So this image here, so you want to make sure that you actually, don't have the image so big. You want a small image, nice size image. So let's actually take the image off, and these are you can edit these any way that you want to. Okay, so if I come over here to say no, click save, refresh. Now you see that the image is gone. Let's go back over here again. Let's do this one more time. I'm going to close that out. I want to come over here again. I'm going to save it. No bonus images displayed. And additional bonuses, let's just do no. Okay, I'm going to save that. I'm going to come back over here to the campaign settings. Let's just open up a new tab. Come over here to Crypto for Beginners. Click on this link here. Open it up. And there you go. Now this video should have opened up. So I may have to do some readjusting on that there, but that just goes to show you that you can make mistakes in this as well. I'm not in the crypto niche anyway, but I wanted to show you how this works, okay, in case you wanted to use it. Okay, so if I go back to customization, we can come over here and customize your story. Additional bonuses, no, we're not going to even mess with that. Let's do this right here. We're going to delete that out of there. I'm going to save it, come back to here again. Let's go back to the campaigns. Let's come down to the pretzel, I like to call it. Look like a pretzel on a stick. And we're going to open it up again. And there it goes. It's gone without the video there. So that's what you can do. So you actually have an easy way to start giving this information to people who actually want to join you in your business opportunity. So remember, let me go back over here and drag this one down, get them in order. You're going to get this page right here hard coded to you along with this page. And if you notice right there, a pop-up came up that, you know, if they was trying to exit the page, yes, I want my free report. Boom, get it. Come here, get the information, change all of this out up here however you want it. Give them the book, okay, and get in contact with them. Set up a consultation call with them, however you feel comfortable with doing it, okay? So that's what you get when you get this. And now if you're watching this video and you're in any network marketing business, you get access to all of these right here, okay, these lead magnets. So, and you don't want to use every lead magnet because every lead magnet is not for your business, but that's what you get, okay, when you use this system. So if you're looking for a way to generate leads online for your cryptocurrency business opportunity, Bitcoin, whatever the case may be, then you want to start using lead magnets like this. You can click the link in the description to actually opt in to the lead magnet and get started, okay? And then click on that business opportunity link if you're ready to get started with $10 for a 10-day trial so you can get access to this same system, these same lead magnets, especially this one if you're in crypto. So I wanted you to encourage you to go ahead and click the button below and also subscribe to the channel if you have not subscribed. I hope you got value from this video. My name is Richard Hairston. I want you to have a great day today and a better day tomorrow. Peace.